It's alive! It's alive!
Bruh.
Hey, Jesh here. I'm going to be doing a science experiment. It's going to be which soda has the most carbonation. As you see, these are my sodas. And my materials is I need 5 balloons, 5 2-liter bottles, a journal, a ruler, a pen, or a pencil. So I'm going to be opening the balloons. And this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be opening the lids from these bottles of soda. And then I'm going to put the balloons on. And then I'm going to shake it for 30 seconds. And then it's going to be filling up with air, which is CO2. And then I'm going to be using the ruler, measuring it, and then recording it in my journal. Okay, guys, before we start, if you're going to be doing this experiment at home, we should go over some proper safety equipment, glasses, and gloves.
Mr. Duck, don't forget your safety gear.
Sorry about that unnecessary equipment.
Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is take off the cap from your bottle and make sure it doesn't explode. Next, you get your balloon, get it and put it over like so, and it's staying on. Next, you need to come up with a limit of time, and then you need to shake it. Pinch this so it doesn't get up into the balloon, okay? Okay. Well, that was horrible. What the? That's Coca-Cola, Dad. Okay. Oh, God. From 0. Oh, this one is 9 inches. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, put this to the side. Now it's time for Diet Coke.
You missed the top.
Do the same thing like we did last time. Open it. Now put this all the way over. Check it. Make sure it's all down. And now for the best part, making sure, shaking it. Okay. I definitely have to put this. No! Well, I guess this is a great science experiment. You could also have some fun during this. Okay, let's see. It's so tall. It is about 12 inches. Wait, right here. It's about 10 inches. Diet Coke, 10. And I actually did some research on this, and it said Diet Coke actually has more CO2 than a lot of other Cokes. Now it's time for Dr. Pepper.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Oh, freak! Well, that's why it's a science experiment. Well, lesson learned. Not to do that again. Okay, see? That's why you wear gloves. Okay, now let's put this back on. Okay, so now let's hope this doesn't go as bad as it was last time. Let me just... Okay, let's do this. Oh, God. Okay, let's see this time. It's about 10 inches. Wow! 10 inches. Now it's Sprite. Let's hope the same thing didn't happen again. There you go. Success. Okay. Let's do this again. Whoa, that one was horrible. 8. Look at this. 8. I'm sorry, Sprite. Some people had faith in you. Okay, this time it's Fanta. I have some faith in this, but not really. No, that was horrible. Yeah, I don't have any faith anymore. All those other ones like... And yeah, I don't think I have faith anymore. Okay. Let's do this again. Fanta, beat the Dr. Pepper. No, Diet Coke. So bad. I did. I shook it. Oh. Is it more? It's more than 10. It's 10. It's 10. Oh, yeah, Fanta. Yeah. Okay, guys, our first round of measurements is done. Now, we're going to come back in an hour and do our second round of measurements. Stay tuned.